nobody looking at you. You bitches can't tell what make. You bitches can't tell what make.
Hey there, my loves. So I'm starting this video off giving you guys a preview of what I'll be using today. Mainly on my eyes, I will only be using the Morphe 35D palette, and I'll be using the Zulu palette from Juvia's Place, and also this glitter I mixed up. I feel like the camera wasn't really okay. So the first color that I'll be using in this tutorial is that hot pink, neon pink shade that's in the Morphe 35D palette. As you guys know, I always do my brows off camera and then put my like eyeshadow primer on off camera. I just use the NYX Jumbo pencil in milk. So yeah, and then the next color that I'm dipping into is that pink shade that's in the Zulu palette. As you guys know, the Zulu palette or the 35D palette don't have colors, so I can't give you shade names, but this pink is more of a raspberry pink. The other one is a neon pink, so I just blend those two together. And then the next color I'm going to go to inside of my crease will be that purple shade that's in the Zulu palette, and I just blend all of those out, and then I end up going back into the 35D and the Zulu palette to make sure that the pink shade is seen and that it doesn't become too purple. The key to mixing these colors is blending. But now I'm going in and I'm cutting my crease with the e.l.f. HD concealer. I don't know why I'm looking up that high where you can't see where I'm actually cutting my crease, but I'm cutting my crease with the wand that comes with the concealer, and then I'm going in with like an angled eyeshadow brush and just making sure that it's that circle shape, because I cannot draw a circle or even make a circle on its own by itself. I don't know why, but I just can't. So I always have cut my crease because I have smaller eyelids and it's easier for eyeshadow shades to be seen when I cut my crease. So that's what I'm doing. I'm cutting my crease and I'm just going to let it dry and I'm going to pat it down, and then I'm going to put on a shimmer shade from the Morphe 35P. It's like I mixed those two pink shimmer shades and I just put that as a base, and then I go over it and then I put in my glitter, and then I'll show you guys a clip of exactly what the glitter looks like, because I mixed 3 different pinks, a purple shade, some silver, and some red, because I didn't want it to just be basic in just one color glitter. Like, we're doing Valentine's Day, so we're going all out, honey. So here I'm just brushing that glitter all over my eye. I did one eye without talking so you guys could basically see, and now I'm going to talk through this one. So I put the glue on with a whole different brush, and then I'll put the glitter on with another brush, and it's like I'm really just like painting it on, pretty much just making sure I cover all the glue. And I just made sure I kept the glitter top nearby so I didn't get it all over my face, and I just brush whatever excess glitter falls onto my face with this big brush that I have. Now on one of my eyes I do mess up, I do get the glitter somewhat in the crease, and I couldn't really move it, but it's okay. Just gotta work fast and cover all parts of that glue or whatever. So as you guys can see, I'm going to keep going in with different blending brushes just to make sure that the purple color and the pink color stand out that I originally laid down in my crease. So per usual, I'm coming back with my full face, and I'm just going to finish up everything here. So as you guys see right now, I'm just making sure all that pink and purple is blended out in my creases and outer V's, because that's the main color we want to stand out. We want the glitter to stand out too, but it's very, very important that you see those colors that is on my lids as well. So I'm just priming my lashes here with the Grande Cosmetics Grande Lash Primer. I don't even know if there's any more of this stuff in here. I still use it here and there. So this talk through is kind of going to be all over the place because I'm all over the place. So I'm just putting that color Snow from the Ultimate Glow Kit underneath my eye and my brow bone to clean it up some, just because you want a nice little color there. So then I'm going underneath my eye with the NYX Jumbo eye pencil in Milk to line my waterline, because like I said, I have small eyes, so I have to do whatever I can to make my eyes appear to look bigger. So also on my waterline, I'm going to go on with that bright red eyeshadow that is in the Morphe 35B palette. There's red glitter on my eyes, but of course it's still Valentine's Day. You want to have some kind of red. So I mixed the two shades from the BH Cosmetics Black Light Highlight Palette, that pink and purple shade, and I put that in my crease because mostly it's about the pinks and the purples in this tutorial. So yeah, had to bring that back. And Ali Pearl sent me over a couple cosmetic things that I've been testing out, and the first thing you guys see me put on is this fiber kind of mascara. It's okay. I really don't get the concept of the fiber mascara, but it did give me some lashes. But of course I go back in with my L'Oreal Telescopic in Carbon Black, as well as my L'Oreal Voluminous lashes, just to make sure I really have lashes, because you want to really be glam on Valentine's Day. You want to make it look like you have lashes, and even though I can't personally wear eyelashes, I still want to be popping as ever, you know. So yeah, I'm basically finishing up my face. Like I said, the lip color I'm going to go in with is Catnip from ABH. Is one of their liquid lipsticks. I picked it up from Marshall's recently, so I've been loving her liquid lipsticks. I do recommend to put on like a chapstick or something before you put it on, because it's really, really, really drying. And then I finish up my highlight. I use 3 of the golden colors. No, I don't use 3 of the golden colors. I use the amber, which is like the rose gold color in there, and one of the golden shades for my highlight in there. And I also do bottom lashes in here. So yeah, that's what the Valentine's Day glam is looking like. You know, I hope everybody has a very fun Valentine's Day, even if you spend it by yourself. Be sure you treat yourself, girl. All I want for Valentine's Day is a palette from Juvia's Place, and I really just want a pedicure. I don't even need all that. If somebody want to give me a Fashion Nova gift card though, I would greatly take that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Happy Valentine's Day. Thank you guys as always. Comment, rate, subscribe. We just hit 800 subscribers. Let's hit 1,000. And I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for all the support. Bye.
Love me, gentle